If you're a student and worried for your future, or you're in a job which you don't like, or facing salary cuts and want to quit, then this is the best time for you to become Indian entrepreneur. So hey guys, today we're gonna talk about 3 topics in this video. Number 1, why it is the best time to be an Indian entrepreneur. Second, I'll give you 5 tips that are really gonna help you to start your business or startup. And third, at last, I'm gonna share 2 ideas with you that are really helpful and really great ideas for 2020. So let's get into the video. So firstly, talking about why 20 is the best time to become an Indian entrepreneur. Number 1, as we all know, with increasing COVID-19 positive cases, our economy is coming down and unemployment rate is also increasing. According to CMIE, the unemployment rate at the first week of March was around 8.75%, which at the end of March was around 23%. And now last recorded around May end was 23.84%. So as the unemployment rate is increasing, the job opportunities for Indians are decreasing. So instead of taking this mental pressure of unemployment rate going high, this is the time when we are free and we can brush up our skills and work on our dream, work on our passion. Adding to the first point, our second point is recently US President Donald Trump extended the pause on several job related visas such as H1B, H2B, H4, L and certain J visas as well. And do you know, every year around 70% of H1B visas are granted to Indians. So we see one more opportunity for us closing. But it's not the time to get disheartened, it is the time to get started. So third point which really motivates us is Atmanirbhar Bharat campaign. Launched by our government is a 20 lakh crore package which says self-reliant India. So it is helpful for us in many ways. One motto of it is be vocal for local. So here is the chance for the local ones for us to take a hike. So local needs to get vocal. People are going to get vocal about it and people are going to go for the local products, local services, and that is gonna boost our economy. So this is the time for us to not only get into business, get into startups, help ourselves, help our client, but also our country to increase and boost its economy. So fourth point and really important one, with this pandemic COVID-19, we all have realized that life is so unpredictable that even the next minute is not predictable, it's not certain. So this moment is the only moment that we have. So if it's now or it's never. So this is the time for you to get started. After this video, get started, earn your freedom, live for your passion, live your dreams, work on your passion. That is what I would suggest. And one thing I would like to say, start small, but start right away. So the second part of the video, I would be helping you with 5 tips which would help you start your business or start your startup right away. So the first point is motivation. The right motivation is the most important thing one requires to start anything. And motivation is not just by watching videos or watching somebody or learning from somebody. It is when it comes from inner self. So get motivated, start it right away, and trust yourself you can do it. Second is idea. Idea is really important and the strongest aspect to start a startup. Idea, according to me, should have 2 things. First is value. Whenever we start something, we should have a concept in mind that our work, our service, or our information. Third point, which is planning. Planning is a long-term pillar of a startup. Planning is really important. You need to plan each and everything. You need to plan your business model, how you're going to register your company, how you're going to work on products, your team, each and everything. Each point which I'm talking about is a detailed topic. So if you want me to make such detailed videos on such topics, then let me know in the comments down below. Then coming to the fourth point, which is execution. Most of us just end up planning things and not executing. So most motivation is required at the execution stage. So you need to execute everything with full trust on yourself that you can do it and your idea would work. So you need to put not only your 100 but your 110% in giving each and everything when it comes to execution. Execution should be best, it should be beneficial, and it should be trustworthy, should provide value to our customers, to our clients. And so like I create content on YouTube, so I try to give you value with my information. Same way you have to do it with your product or with your service. Second, we should not think about our profit. We should think of our client's profit, and we should think of solving their problem. So problem solving and value should include in our idea for the customer, your client. And fifth, which we always forget, is consistency. Consistency is key for a startup to keep going, to keep grow. In commerce, people say that for 5 years one should not expect any profit from one's business or startup. Maybe that works or not, but at least we should be patient and putting effort for like starting 1 or 2 years irrespective of the result. I give you an example. If a creator is creating videos on YouTube and I uploaded or somebody uploaded 1 or 2 videos and didn't get support, didn't get subscribers and views and left it, it's not the way. You should at least go for it, go with the consistency, and then expect results after putting enough of the efforts. So coming to the bonus tip of the video, where I will be sharing 2 ideas with you which can really work well in 2020 according to me. So number 1 is making of mask from leftover materials of clothes. The leftover materials of clothes can be sanitized and used for making masks. And this tender you can give to some low wage workers, which will really decrease the production cost, and then we can sell it on Amazon or local shops. So this is my first idea which I think can work. Second idea, according to me, in this pandemic COVID-19 would be sanitization of homes in low cost. Sanitization is really important, and we can go for sanitizing homes, and we can make pamphlets to promote it, or maybe some websites. And start low, start with 1 or 2 machines, start with 1 or 2 people, and sanitization really is going to get a boom, because I also require sanitization of my home, because people going out are really fearful of the spreading of the virus. So sanitization is the key. So these were the 2 ideas that I think could work in 2020. So guys, if you like my content, like my video, then please give it a like, share it, and comment down below your views. If you want me to make more such informative videos, then please let me know. And thanks for watching.